So, habang pasto na 22 to Raka. So, pinasa sa ilalim, Ox. Number 25, Tumira. Yes. Pasto number 8. Number 8. Pumasok. Ino to Galirod. Galirod to Implicador. Pumanap ng kasama. To Carpilotis to Garbino. Oops. Rebound by number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay. Galirod to Garbino. Sinasabay Carpilotis, Tumira, may sumabit. First, wala. 15 rebound by number 19 to number 22. Sa ilalim, wala. Rebound by number 19 again, Tumira, yes. Garbino to Carpilotis. To Garbino, dinalik kay Garbino. Sinasabay Galirod. Galirod, pinasa lagi to Garbino. Intercept by number 19. Ipinasa kay Villegas. To Abaw. Yes. Carpilotis. Tumira, wala. Rebound lagi kay Carpilotis. First, 2 team foul. Carpilotis. First throw, yes. Yes. So, Abaw. Tumira, wala. Rebound again by number 8. So, number 11, Garbino. Intercepted by number 19. To Abaw. Villegas sa ilalim. Wala.
Pinapliuk!
Quintes, Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 4 to number 2. Relax na daw, relax. Garbino. To Carpilotis, Tumira, out by Sumbabit. Number 23. 15 seconds remaining time. To Garbino. Dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. Wala. Rebound again by Carpilotis to Garbino. Tumira ng press. 3 points with the foul. 36 seconds. Garbino, yes, the ball. Last 30 seconds. Villegas to Quintes. Yes, 2 points. Long pass to Garbino. Last 14 seconds. Galirod. Tumira, please. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Number 22 to number 3. Pinasa kay number 16. Yes. Vegas number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Revilla number 15. Tumira ng press. Wala. Intercept by number 18. Tumira. Number 3. Dribbling the ball to number 18. Tumira. Wala. Number 4. Nice habit. Second throw. Wala. Rebound by Revilla. To Villegas. Tuloy-tuloy. Wala. Rebound by number 10. There's a foul, number 20. Villarmino. First throw. Yes. tuloy sa ilalim, ay sumabit na naman. Second throw by Villarmino. Yes. Throw number 18. Binalik kay number 3. Number 3, kumina ng Chris. Number 10 to number 31, yes. Number 3 to number 4. To number 18, kumina ng Chris. Wala. Ibang may PCP1 may number 4. Number 4 to number 3. Oops. Wala. Vegas to Revilla. Revilla to Mira. 15 to shoot. Number 8. Oops. Wala. Intercept by Arsenal. Sinasa sa number 25 to number 14. Yes. One bet ng 50 seconds. Garbino. Oh, may foul. Illegal use of penalty situation. Garbino, second throw. Wala. Diba may 5 seconds sa clock. Galirong kung sa mga press. Wala. Okay, diba may Garbino. To number 4. Wala. We're being done. Yes. So number 22 to be run. First throw. Yes. One good. Second throw. Wala. Diba ba yung good one? To Revilla, last 25 seconds. Revilla to Villegas, yes. 15. 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds to Revilla. To, oops. Yes. Villegas, number 25, pinasa sa ilalim. Garbino, pinasa sa number 3. To Carmelotis, intercept by Villegas to Abao. Abao fix and fire, yes. Garbino, pass by number 25, Abao. Garbino, to Carmelotis. Okay, intercept by number 19 to Abao, walang katao-tao. Okay, number 5 to number 3, Canovas. Canovas dribbling the ball. To number 8, intercept again by pinasa kay Abao, wala. Abao again, wala. Ayan. 3 to 1. Garbino to number 8, Carmelotis. Number 5, out intercept by number 24 to Abao. One okay, number 22 to number 3 to Mira ng West. Wala. Pinasa sa number 6. Intercept by number 10. Number 5, Arsenal. Oops. Personal foul number 22. Good miss. 50 seconds. Number 3 to number 18. Good now. So, pinalik ko number 18. Oh. Pass to 16 to number 4. To Villa. Kaya, nabaon by number 15. Revilla. Yes. Villegas to Revilla. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Wala. Number 3, dribbling the ball. To number 4, oh. Araw. Pinasa kay Vinigas. Tuloy-tuloy. 19 seconds. 19 seconds. Number 3, tuloy-tuloy. Wala. Rebound by number 31 to number 15. Pass break to dribbling the ball. To Revilla, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 22. To number 4. Up. Tuloy-tuloy. Sa ilalim. Kasi by number 18. To number 5, Villegas. Yes, 2 points.
Third quarter.
Okay. Galidon, dribbling the ball. Pass by number 25. To number 40. Ismao, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 19 of Arsenal to Mamao, number 5. Galidon, dribbling the ball to number 40. Ismao, to number 11. Garbino. Garbino to number 8. Notice off. There's a foul. Number 2. Number 2. Galidon. To number 40. To number 11. To Mira. Wala. Rebound by Jens Miller. Committing to number 25. Abaw. School. Number goal. Tuloy-tuloy. Oops. Sayang. Paluwag by Galidon. Received by Villegas to Abaw. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Okay, intercept by Galidon. To looking for Villegas. Villegas. Pinasa sa ilalim. Number 18. Yes. Number 11 na number 40 is found. Oh. Natapik. Back number 25. To tuloy. Okay. High contact. First personal foul Galidon. First team foul. Abaw. 25. Abaw. Yes. Nagdala ng bola. Si number 8. Okay. Tuloy-tuloy. Yes. Pilotes. Okay. Galidon to number 4. Si number 8. Humingi ng bola. Pinasa kay number 9. Wala. Sayang. Number. Okay. Intercept by number 2. Number 8. Oh, intercept again by number 25. To number 5, Villegas. Tuloy-tuloy. Yes. Number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Ten seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Garbino. Wala. Tawag kay Navigas Builder. Rebellia. Yes. 3 minutes. Number 4 to Pilotes, number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Tuloy-tuloy. Yes. 14 seconds shot clock. 10. 5. Yes. 40. Villegas. Dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Remaining time. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Abaw, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Follow up by Abaw to number 3 to number 18. Yes. Number 4 to number 8. Carmilutis. Carmilutis. Lumusot. Yes. To number 18. Wala. Oops. Foul si number 22. Yes. Number 6. Wala. Wala na ganun. Rebound by Regilla. Regilla to number 11, Alihon. Last 2 minutes. Number 2, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 18 to number 22, binalik sa number 2. Sa ilalim, tumira, wala. Villegas, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 18 of Arsenal to number 4. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Rebilla to number 22, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number... Okay, number 4, ang Pulokyo. Apoy. May sumpa or penalty.
Look at sa shot.
Yes, Pedro.
Ah, wow, no!
Okay.
Yes!
Tulong ko Pedro.
Sharo ay isa na eh!
Isa lang. Okay.
Agay!
Okay, alihog. Alihog ng gabot speakers. Wait na. Oh. Tres. Wala ng gabot. Rebound by number 18. Last 16 seconds. Remaining time. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Remaining time. Okay. Regulation. Congratulations.
84-61. Go, go. Jeez.
Kamusta?
Winner, jeez.
Okay, second game.